Hello, it's Josh here from JDG Estate Agents, and this week's 60-second property investment video comes from Balmoral Road in the Moorlands area of Lancaster. This two-bed terrace you can see just behind me has been modernised throughout with a really modern and contemporary kitchen. There's also 2 reception rooms and 2 decent sized bedrooms. To the rear you've got a low maintenance yard perfect for those summer months. Close by you've got Williamson's Park, but also easy access down to Lancaster Canal and into the bustling city centre for shopping, restaurants and bars. It's currently on the market for £150,000, and with a rental income of £650 per calendar month, you can expect to see a rental return of £7,800 per year, which is a 5.2% gross return on your investment. It's pretty much ready for tenants to move into, and this area is always popular for people moving into the area. If you are interested, please do give us a call on 01524 843322 or drop me an email. It's josh@jdg.co.uk. Thank you, bye.